Begin by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on a cushion with your legs crossed. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to settle in. Let's start by bringing your attention to your body. Notice how it feels as you sit here. Feel the weight of your body grounding you to the earth. Allow yourself to relax, releasing any tension you might be holding. Feel the connection between your body and the surface supporting you. Now, gently bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Feel the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Observe the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. To help maintain focus, you can count your breaths. As you inhale, silently count 1, and as you exhale, count 2. Continue up to 10, then start again from 1. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath and start counting from 1 again. Pay close attention to the physical sensations of breathing. Notice how your chest and abdomen rise and fall with each breath. Feel the subtle movements in your body, the expansion and contraction with each inhale and exhale. Become aware of the texture and temperature of the air as it moves in and out. Begin to notice the brief pause between each inhale and exhale. This is a moment of stillness be fully present in this pause, feeling the calmness it brings. This pause is a natural part of your breathing rhythm, offering a moment of peace and stillness. As you continue to focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. When this happens, gently acknowledge them without judgment and let them go, returning your attention to your breath. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky, observing them without getting attached. Let each thought pass, knowing you can always return to the breath. Now, allow your awareness to deepen. Feel the breath not just in your nostrils, but throughout your entire body. Imagine each inhale reaching every part of your being, bringing in fresh energy. With each exhale, let go of any tension or stress, releasing it completely. Imagine a serene, peaceful place. It could be a forest, a beach, or a quiet garden. Picture yourself in this place, feeling completely at ease. With each breath, imagine drawing in the tranquility of this place and exhaling any remaining tension or stress. Visualize yourself surrounded by the beauty and calmness of this serene environment. Take a moment to feel gratitude for the simple act of breathing. Each breath is a gift, sustaining your life and well-being. Reflect on the things you are grateful for in this moment. Allow this sense of gratitude to fill your heart, bringing a sense of warmth and contentment. Now, expand your awareness to include your entire body. Feel the breath moving through your whole being. Notice how your body feels as a whole, sitting here breathing. Embrace the sensation of being alive, present, and connected to the world around you. Allow yourself to sink deeper into stillness. Be present with the breath, with the sensations, and with the quietness within. There is nothing else you need to do in this moment. Simply be here, now. Feel the stillness and peace within you, knowing you can return to this place of calm whenever you need. Gradually bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you and notice any sounds around you. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm and mindfulness with you into the rest of your day.